special guest, Mary. Raquel is at swimming right now, and my dad wanted some eggs, so we are going to be blindfolded, and we're gonna make some eggs. But before we get on to that video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share, and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys love us. And let's get on to the video. Up.
Where are the top of the stairs?
Up. I don't know. I'm
scared.
Just gonna figure it out. Oh, I took like too many steps.
Okay. Now where do we
Now
go?
left. I mean right.
Right.
Whichever way this way is.
Okay.
Where's the chair? There's the chair.
Here.
Chair.
There. Okay. Where
Now
do
we
we
go.
go? I'm running into things.
Out. Oh, there's the calendar.
Oh yeah. Okay, right here. Okay, turn. And we're back. We did it! I ran into everything, I think.
Now we just need to get out everything without the blindfolds. Let's get everything. What do we need for eggs? Oh, wait, eggs. Milk. Milk. What else do we need?
I think that's it.
Let's get started. Wait, we need a whisk.
Oh.
This thing. That's milk. Okay, ready? Now let's get started.
Okay. These are her eggs.
Okay. Where's the bowl? Okay, now where's the whisk thing? I found it. Where's the whisk? Right there. Okay, let's add some milk in it now. Where's the milk? Found it. Okay, how much? Oh, it's ahead of me.
Wait, how do we know how much?
I don't know. That's how
How is the blindfold blindfold?
Right? We're just gonna start. Is that right? I don't know.
Okay.
Found it. Should we go to the pan now?
We need to spray it first.
Yeah, where's the spray? Is this enough? Okay. That's great. Oh, where's the bowl? You got the bowl? Here, I'll help you.
Wait.
Here, I'll use my hand to figure out where the pan is. Wait. Ah! Oh, it's right there. You know, I said it's 7 now.
Ow.
Should I pour it in?
Yeah.
Are there whisks still inside of it? Nope.
I don't think so.
Where's the pan? I'm scared.
Oh, we got it. That's a good thing. That means we got it.
Mary, where's Mary?
I don't know where.
Mary, found you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Now where's the? You got it.
found the edge. I don't know if I'm in the bowl. Oh, found it. Okay. Should we just let it wait for a minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's do that.
I hope it's like.
Oops, dropped something. Okay, what do we do now? Let's get a
salsa.
plate out. Let's get a plate out. Oh, wait.
Wait.
We need a fork. What's this like? Oh, found it. Spoon.
This is a fork.
Got a fork? Should I get a knife out? Do they need knives?
No.
There's no knives. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's clean up.
I need a mix.
Where's the pan?
I don't know.
Found it. Now where's the
Where's the
spatula?
spatula?
Found it.
Ah! Something just sprayed in my mouth. Are you mixing it?
Yeah. I'll go get the plate. Here's the spatula.
Ow! It's spraying at me. It doesn't feel like there's like anything in it.
Really? It feels like there's like slop. It's like slop. I don't know. Should we be done now?
I don't know.
Let's pour it in the plate. Where's the spatula?
I have the stuff.
Spatula.
I have it
Where?
in my hand.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
I'm holding the.
You are? Okay.
Where do I?
Here's the plate. Let's just like dump it on it.
Okay.
Okay. We did great. Now where's the plate?
Okay, wait. Where's the fork?
Watch out, I have a plate. I think it's filling. Where's the salsa? No, the salsa.
I don't have it.
Okay, undo it. Do you want to pour it on here?
No.
Okay, I'll do
Wait,
it.
where's the plate? No, I'll do it.
Okay, you do it.
No, I don't know where.
Oh, that looks great. Okay, and now let's turn off the oven.
I'm not doing that.
Now, should we see our masterpiece?
No.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! I poured so much salsa on there.
Well, it looks like that. What? Looks like mashed potatoes.
Yeah, that's the egg that you didn't whisk. It was just hanging out in there.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you liked our blindfolded cooking challenge. If you want to see us do more, please make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, and turn on the notifications. Make sure you share this video to all of your guys' friends, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Rye Clay.